Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping both devices, the Brezza's head unit and your iPhone. Make sure the car is in accessory or engine on mode so the infotainment is active, and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone. If you use wired CarPlay, plug an Apple-approved Lightning cable into the car's USB port. If wireless, keep the phone close to the dash. Once done, tap the CarPlay or phone pairing option on the Brezza screen to start the handshake between devices. You'll now complete the middle steps. Select your iPhone from the Brezza's Bluetooth list and watch for a PIN or pairing prompt. Confirm the matching code on both the car display and your phone to authorize the Bluetooth link, because CarPlay may use Bluetooth for initial negotiation. After that, look at your iPhone and allow CarPlay when the prompt appears. This authorizes app projection and voice control. Make sure Do Not Disturb while driving isn't blocking pop-ups, so the connection can finish. You finish by verifying CarPlay is live. The familiar grid of apps should appear on the Brezza screen, and Siri should respond to the steering wheel button or voice phrase. Try launching Maps or music to confirm audio routing and touchscreen responsiveness. Make sure volume and media source are correct. If CarPlay doesn't connect, restart the iPhone and the car's infotainment, toggle Bluetooth/Wi-Fi, and swap to a known good Apple Lightning cable. Faulty cable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.